As we know that coronavirus pandemic has devastated New York City, turning it into the epicenter of national disaster. And one of the most affected area is Queens, where majority of Tibetan community reside, where our community center is situated. This is a difficult time for all of us. I'm truly concerned. But at the same time, I am truly inspired by the initiative of Tibetan community by providing immediate relief to the people who need help, people who are sick, and also providing fresh foods from the Tibetan community kitchen to the frontline medical communities and to the hospitals. And these are the initiatives which gives me hope. We know that coronavirus pandemic has affected many non-profit organizations, many community centers. And one of the most affected communities are refugee community and immigrants community. Therefore, I am today calling you to stand with Tibetan community in New York and New Jersey. Community center that you can see here today was built by our elders for decades, worked days and nights to build this community center. They worked so much. And more than ever before now, we realize how important this community center is, especially in this difficult time. And this center is a place where our children goes to learn our Tibetan language and culture. This is a place where our elders goes to worship and perform religious activities. So this is not just a center, it is a place, it is a home for all of us. And today I am calling everyone, our friends and supporters who are around the world, our Tibetan communities around the world, to stand with Tibetan community in New York. We know that when we stand together, we can fight back. We can fight back stronger. And your donation, as we are doing this fundraising, your donation will directly go to the Tibetan community. And your donation will not only help the ongoing immediate relief activities Tibetan community is doing right now in New York, it will help for the long-term sustainability of the community. And we need your help. I thank everyone for sending your wishes. We are very thankful and grateful for all your message and concern. But now is the time we all stand together, stand with the Tibetan community here, stand with people who are on the ground. Thank you, everyone.